Signs of facial aging can be exacerbated by extrinsic factors like rapid or excessive weight loss. I cannot stress enough that the patient should be evaluated from all angles. One of the main consequences of excessive weight loss is severe hollowing in the temple area, and this is clearly visible on all three views. Another consequence of excessive weight loss is depletion of the mid-faced fat pads. This results in a sagging and a lack of support under the eye area, as well as the formation of deep nasolabial lines running down from the nose to the corner of the mouth. A normal part of aging is the deepening and widening of the piriform fossa, further leading to a lack of support in the mid-face, as well as a downturn in the corner of the mouth. Rapid weight loss often leads to excessive depletion of the mid-face fat pads. This leads to a lack of support under the eye area, resulting in tear trough deformities, as well as projection and volume loss. This can clearly be seen, especially on the oblique and lateral views. Due to changes of the support structures in the midface, we also see a decline in the definition in the jawline, as well as the formation of a turkey neck. It is important to note that the face is dynamic, and therefore dynamic lines like the frown line should also be assessed. This often makes the patient look unapproachable and even angry. Rapid and/or excessive weight loss also leads to a decrease in the quality and number of elastic as well as collagen fibers in the skin. This leads to laxity, which can be illustrated with a simple pinch test. Sagging is a major consequence of volume loss, as well as the loss and decline of collagen in elastin, and this can be clearly illustrated here. A further sign of collagen and elastin loss is a lack of adherence to the skin, which can be freely moved over the underlying structures.